Hi girls, good morning. This is Nitya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Okay, today we are going to see the Bridge Codes Notes 2 video. We are going to see. Last class we had seen some important definitions in matrices as well as some important formulae in trigonometry and differential calculus also. Now also we are going to see some basic important formulae and some fundamental definitions. Okay, here we are going to see the series in the sense we have seen in the 11th standard and 12th standard also about the binomial, exponential and logarithmic series. So here we are going to see the binomial series when n is a rational number. So what is the binomial series? We can see 1 plus x whole power n equal to 1 plus n by 1 x plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x squared plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 into x cube divided by 1 into 2 into 3 and so on. This is a binomial series when n is a small n is a positive integer, okay, and it has a finite number of terms. If it has a finite number of terms and n is a positive integers, we can use it as a binomial series, okay, and the number of terms is here as n plus 1 terms. This expansion is valid only for all the values of x, not only for 1 2 3, for all the values it will be extended. Okay, next one is general cases in the sense, what are the binomial series terms we are seeing. If n is a rational number and where x lies between minus 1 to 1, the series is like this: 1 plus x whole power n, where 1 plus n by 1 x. Just now we had seen the general term. Okay, here we are going to see the cases, that is, if x is changed into minus x, what will happen, and n is changed into minus n, what will happen. So if x is changed into minus x, we are getting 1 minus x whole power n. So in the place of x we are having the minus x, so substitute minus x in the place of x where we have. Okay, likewise in changing of n into minus n, so what will happen in the power, in the nth term, that is nth term minus n we are substituting. So 1 plus x whole power minus n in the first equation. So what will happen? 1 plus minus n, and then the next term, instead of n minus n and minus n minus 1 and so on. Okay, so it can be written as 1 minus x whole power minus n, which is equal to 1 minus n by x n. That is, we are having the two results. One is 1 plus x whole power minus n, another one is 1 minus x whole power minus n. Two formulas are here. Okay, so here totally general cases we have four formulas. One is 1 plus x, the first one, see the first one, first equation, 1 plus x whole power n formula is the first one. Second one is 1 minus x whole power n, and the third one is in the place of n we are having the minus n. So 1 plus x whole power minus n, and the fourth formula is 1 minus x whole power minus n. Next we are going to see the exponential series. Exponential series, the limit, that is 1 plus 1 by n the whole power n, as n tends to infinity exist. So it is lying between 2 and 3, it is denoted as e. So e power x, that is the exponential series formula, e power x. So 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x squared by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial and so on. Now replacing x by minus x, we have the another formula as e power minus x formula, that is 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x squared by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus alternative signs will come. Okay, next we are going to see the logarithmic series. Here the infinite series we have taken as x minus x squared by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus x power 5 by 5 minus and so on. It's a logarithmic series. Here also the x lies between minus 1 to 1. Now it can be written as log base e 1 plus x can be written as that the logarithmic series x minus x squared by 2 and so on. E we can write always, otherwise the base e won't be right, no issues at all. Log 1 plus x is equal to x minus x squared by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4. This is also valid, that is the formula also valid only when x lies between minus 1 to 1. This is the logarithmic series. So far we had seen the binomial series, exponential series and logarithmic series. These are all the basic formulas which we are going to use in the forthcoming chapters. Okay, in the logarithmic series also we can change the x into minus x. So log of 1 minus x is our formula, and then minus log of 1 minus x means we have to multiply minus on both sides. So we are getting minus log of 1 minus x formula. Okay, just go through it. Okay girls, so just copy in your classwork and then start learning all the formulas. Okay, next class we can see the different definitions and formulae, and I will send you the syllabus also. You can, if I send the syllabus as a notes, then you can copy, and then we can start the class. After the bridge course completed, we can start the class. Okay, so just go through it and learn all the formulas day by day. Please start learning. Now I am giving only the basic definitions and important formulae. So these are all the formulae and definitions we are going to use for the forthcoming chapters. So you uh, can go through it and you can copy and start learning. Okay, thank you girls.